We're just gonna play some Roblox. Oh, yep, that's so loud. Yep, I've died. Okay, we're doing good so far. How many rounds are we gonna play? Maybe like 3 in the video. I'm going. Now let me down in the. How many offers I'm gonna do? Like 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. Okay, I died. Wow. Dude, you cannot hear me because of the music! No! I died. I died. Shut up, music! Okay, we're only gonna play 2 rounds. And this video in like 2 rounds? Yeah, 2 rounds. After this round, I only have 1 round left. Sorry guys, this is a short video, sorry. Don't have my webcam, but it's so fine, you know. I'll show my webcam in a like bit, and I just died. No chance I'm gonna make to the end. I am. Can we make it to the end? I feel like not. Okay, we only have 1 minute. Wait, we are pretty close. Oh my god, oh gosh. Okay, that will take care of it, I guess. So, oh gosh. Yep, I died. What? Somebody just says, let's play Real Among Us. God. Maybe I will just Among Us video because I always do Roblox videos. Or maybe the future episode we can do some games. Yay. Oh my gosh. There's no chance we're gonna make it. Nope. We're super close, but we're running out of time. We're running off of time. It is. Oh yay! Bottom visibility. That's nothing. Okay, okay, one more round, then we okay. Well, yep, time's up. Okay. Oh my. Yep. I am. Okay. So okay. Who even said nah? Tower of Hell is so hard. Wait, what? I mean, Tower of Hell is so hard. What? Why do you want Tower of Hell more than Tower of Fun? Yep. Ah, God. Nope. 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 Oh, wow. Gosh. Took life. Okay. What in the world is this? Oh, okay. That was so funny. Okay, made it purple. Oh, yep. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, we're being 6 minutes until the wait. Are we just like recording and like one? Okay, we recorded for like 7 minutes. Oh wait, I shouldn't just. Okay, I just read in the chat that Rafael needs to have checkpoints, and I agree with that too. But that will be so easy for people, so people that oh gosh. Oh wait, I know the stage. This is a hard stage. Actually hard. Okay, wait, no, it's not a hard stage. Never mind. I just beat it in the first try. Ooh, that was close. I just walked into a hole. A hole! It didn't get me. I'm not falling through holes. I am not falling through holes. Ah, gosh. Oh god. Come on, come on. Okay. Oh, no. I just died. I think I'm a god. So bad. So bad at this game. Okay. Not. Okay. If I die here, I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, maybe not so mad. Ah, gosh. Am I even gonna make it to the end? Okay. Well, why did I take the shortcut? That's not even a shortcut. My gosh, I'm so. What was sound. Okay. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. Might fall here. Oh no. No, no, we're not gonna fall here. The moment I said that. Great. This game is so fun. Wow. Is this even fun? I feel like, gosh, I'm never gonna reach the end. I am guarantee you. Past that. So we're just gonna do this. Oh wait. Gosh! I mean, we might be able to make it, but if we are like super good, then I'm not. That was the last. Oh my gosh. Yep. I'm just gonna try it out. Somebody just fell through the. Yeah. Yeah. Miss. Come on. Thank you. My gosh, I'm never gonna reach this next stage. God, oh my gosh. Focus. Oh yes. Yep. Yep. Oh yep. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. I will automatically stop this recording.